Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. I hope you're having a wickedly awesome, positive day. I know I am. I know you can't tell inside this blue bubble, but outside in the real world today, the sun is shining. I'm off to a great start. Today, you guys, we are testing out 6 face yoga poses that supposedly will give you the same benefits as a facelift. Face yoga is supposed to tone, tighten, and firm the skin by contorting your face into all kinds of crazy shapes. It supposedly helps to alleviate wrinkles, fine lines, it helps your face relax, it tones and tightens things up. There's a lot of conflicting research out there on face yoga. Some dermatologists say it will actually make you age faster because you're contorting your face into these crazy shapes. And then there's other people out there who swear by face yoga. And some people say after 6 to 9 months, your skin is actually lifted, lines are released, you're more relaxed, you look more youthful. So as crazy as it sounds, I figure my channel is the perfect place to try out face yoga. We definitely want you guys following along at home, so get ready to make some crazy weird faces. So if you're ready to learn the top 6 face yoga poses that will give you the same result as a facelift, this just sounds too good to be true. Keep on watching. And I want to give a special shout out to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back, all of my old subscribers. I want to see how fast we can get to 3,000 subscribers. So if you haven't already, make sure to hit subscribe down below and give this video a big thumbs up. All right, friends. So I have been scouring the internet to find the top facial yoga poses to give us snatched, taut, and tight skin, because you know that is the goal of our channel. So let's get ready to do the first facial yoga pose. This one is called the Surprise Me, and it is to smooth your forehead wrinkles. All right, so what we need to do is widen our eyes as big as possible until they literally start to water. It even says you can pull back up on your forehead and you want to look as surprised as possible. So in 3, 2, 1, let's do the Surprise Me and hold our eyes open and pull our forehead back until our eyes start to water. I can't open my eyes this big. Okay, I don't want to blink. My hands are slipping off my forehead because I used too much cream before I filmed this. Oh no, I blinked. Okay, my eyes are starting to water. Okay. Oh. Okay, I think I pressed a little bit too hard on my forehead because it's red. How the Surprise Me works is by holding that facial expression. It says that you're exercising the muscles around your eyes and your forehead, erasing the negative effects of scowling and drooping in the opposite direction. You do carry a lot of tension, a lot of frowning in your eyebrows. So to lift everything up and open is the reverse direction. Now our second face yoga pose is called Get Cheeky, and this is to lift, firm, and tighten your cheeks. Now what you want to do is suck in a bunch of air and puff your cheeks out like a puffer fish. Oh, I just realized once I did that, I couldn't tell you guys the rest of what to do. You want to hold your cheeks full of air and swish it back and forth a couple of times and then breathe it out in an O motion like this. All right, are you guys ready to do the Get Cheeky with me? Let's do it. Let's suck in the air. Whew, I'm out of breath. All right, let's try the Get Cheeky one more time. All right, so what the Get Cheeky does is strengthen your cheek muscles and prevents them from becoming thinner and looking hollow. My worst nightmare, loss of collagen, hollowness. Now the third face yoga pose is called a Bye Bye Crow's Feet, and this one is to target those crow's feet and fine lines around the eyes, which I know everyone is concerned about. Now this one is a little bit confusing. It says to take your finger and place it right here on the outside of your temple, and then just start blinking. Oh, actually, you know what? You kind of do feel tension on the side here. Are you guys feeling this? Oh my God, if you're feeling this, let me know in the comments down below. This feels so weird. Okay, let's do the Bye Bye Crow's Feet exercise one more time. Let's take our fingers, put them right here on the sides of your eye. Oh, it's so dramatic. And let's start blinking. This actually feels so weird. By exercising the muscle around your eye, you're really going to firm the skin and keep it from folding into itself and creating all of those wrinkles. Ooh. All right, so up next in our 6 face yoga poses that will help you look like you've had a facelift is called Puppet Face. And guys, this is a weird one. It's meant to target the nasal labial folds. Now, some people have worse nasal labial folds than others. Some people's it really crinkles into the skin. They get big, deep wrinkles. So this exercise is perfect to alleviate those nasal labial folds. Now, you want to start by smiling and showing your teeth, and then gently press your fingertips into the creases between your nose and lips. Lift the muscle up and press your fingers down into the muscle for slight resistance. Okay, so go ahead and lift your cheeks up right. Ow, that kind of hurts. take your fingers and place them right in the creases here. Oh, is this right? Lift your whole cheeks, lift those creases right out of there. Ow! This one is not comfortable. All right, guys, let's try the puppet one more time. Let's take our fingers, let's take this a little bit more serious. Let's lift up these cheeks. Okay, you know what? I just don't like this. Take your other fingers, put them right in the, oh, this is a look. This is lip filler flakiness. Ooh, that one is not my favorite. That face yoga pose was to help strengthen the cheek muscles to prevent it from slacking, to really help lift them back up that makes them appear fuller, stronger, and more youthful. The fifth facial yoga pose we are going to try is called the baby bird, and this is to prevent that turkey neck from forming and to really help tone and tighten your under the neck area, which is always a concern of mine because I know just one day I'm going to wake up and poof, I'm going to have a turkey neck. Oh, I don't want it. Okay guys, so the baby bird has a few steps to it. Let's all do this together. So the first thing we're gonna do is put our tongue on the roof of our mouth. Then we're going to smile. Then we're going to lift our chin, look at the ceiling, and swallow. Are you all ready to do the baby bird? Tongue, smile, chin, swallow. Here we go. Oh, I almost choked. Whew. What do you guys think of the baby bird? You can really feel that exercise all through your throat area. It is really tight. Wow, it does feel like my neck just went to the gym. Woo! So the baby bird is used to tone and tighten the jaw area. Get rid of that gobbler, so make sure you're doing your baby bird. I would do it every night. All right, guys, we've arrived to the sixth and final face yoga pose that will make you look like you've had a facelift. And this one is actually the easiest. This one, guys, is called Buddha face. This one is so easy. All you have to do is relax your face, relax your jaw, relax your forehead, your eyes. Buddha face helps relieve all those fine lines, wrinkles, deep, dark crevices. It also makes you feel more relaxed. This is all you have to do. If I could stop talking, this would be the perfect Buddha face, but I just can't stop talking to you guys. Okay, let's all practice Buddha face. 1, 2, 3. Do I look younger yet? Now, experts say that this pose not only relaxes all of those fine lines and wrinkles, but it also kind of helps reset your facial expressions. A lot of people don't even realize that they're frowning or growling, so practicing the Buddha face and letting all the worries of the day slide away. Oh, this is the best pose. Well, those are the top 6 face yoga poses to make it look like you've had a facelift. To be honest, my face is actually kind of hurting. It feels really tight, and I don't like having my fingers on my face that much. This, like the puppet where I had to stick my fingers in my marionette lines, actually kind of hurts. My forehead is a little bit tight, although I did kind of like that crow's feet one, like this one. That one's actually not that bad. But to be totally honest, doing this every day is a little bit unrealistic. I just don't think that face yoga will be a part of my skincare routine. If you tried any of these facial yoga poses, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you have any new and exclusive hidden, maybe secret face yoga poses, also let me know in the comments down below. Like always, guys, I love sitting down and chatting with you about today's beauty and skincare products from all over the world. Face yoga, who knew? I never tried it before, so I'm so glad we uncovered it together. If you need more of me in between now and next video, you can always find me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and basically everywhere on the internet. Until the next video, guys, I can't wait. Ow, I just hit myself in the face. I can't wait to see you then. Bye, guys.